As you are aware, the Ontario government issued a directive that elementary educators would use a revised health and physical education curriculum starting today. The older curriculum that the government has reissued minimizes information, and in some cases, it has removed completely key topics that are vital for children in 2018. Teaching issues like consent, LGBTQ relationships, gender identities, and many other human development issues related to today's realities are not only necessary, but vital for student safety, well-being, and inclusivity. The actions of the government to rescind the 2015 curriculum undermines the very safety and well-being of Ontario students and families. The world our students live in today is very different than it was in 1998. The government has taken another action that undermines the professionalism, integrity, and professional judgment of teachers. It has set up a complaint or a snitch line inviting parents to anonymously report any concerns regarding teachers and the curriculum. In a worst case scenario, this snitch line would allow anonymous parents, or anyone as a matter of fact, to target any teacher for any reason. And the potential for abuse is enormous. This morning, I'm announcing that ETFO has just filed an application for judicial review of the Minister of Education's directive on the 2015 Health and Physical Education curriculum and the parent snitch line. ETFO's application seeks an injunction to direct the government to leave the 2015 Health and Physical Education curriculum in place. This is vital to ensure that educators and school boards can continue to protect the safety and health of students. It also seeks to stop the operation of this unnecessary and counterproductive complaint or snitch line. ETFO also believes that the actions of the government are also in conflict with the Ontario Human Rights Code, the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms, and the professional obligations on teachers as set out in the Education Act and the Standards of Practice of the Ontario College of Teachers. Let's just take a kindergarten class or a grade 1 class, and they're talking about families, moms and dads. And one of the students in that classroom puts their hand up and says, I don't have a mom and a dad. I have 2 moms. That's not included in the curriculum that this government released in terms of LGBTQ relationships, same-sex marriage. What is that teacher supposed to do? And what is that child, and if that teacher decides to take that as a teachable moment to talk about same-sex couples, is this government going to act and punish that teacher for doing that in 2018?